Hello, this is Ivy Wynn, the program coordinator with the UT Physician International District. Today, we're going to join Dr. Wu to introduce us seasonal vegetable and fruit. Enjoy.
Okay, so this is a Chinese Bok Choy. Usually you can grow in the spring, but you can also grow now. You can see the vegetable, they're growing pretty fast. At this stage, what you want to do is to spray the veggie with this organic pesticides called Bt toxins. This will kill the worm if they bite the leaf. In 2 days, they'll be dead. And this is very important because when they're young, you have to protect them. And after this, in 2 weeks, we have to cover the veggie with a net. This net, when you cover it, the butterfly will not lay the egg on the leaf. That's how you're going to protect the vegetable. And my raised bed is designed in such a way that you can just put the layer of this net. You see that? You tighten it. You protect the vegetable. You can water it. The water will go through. It should be fine.